Welcome to the Xsyte demonstration. This video uses an example hockey site to show you the features and functions of our sports management software. To begin with, we will show you the public and member interface, followed by a brief demonstration of how this can be administered in the admin section. Your Xsyte can be configured to suit your organization's color scheme, and a graphic can be inserted in the header. The home page contains summary information such as news, latest scores, upcoming games, and recent player blogs. These can be viewed by simply clicking on the tab. It also contains information regarding upcoming or current leagues, calendar events, and any polls that you may be running. Detailed information can be accessed via the menu bar, such as your divisions, calendar items, or community, which contains message boards or TV and video links. Custom pages can be added, in this instance, rules and constitution. The last option is your access to your admin area. Visitors to the site can register, or if they are an existing member, they can simply log in. Any rights or privileges are recognized, and they can either vote or write blogs if permitted. Detailed information, such as game logs, can be viewed through the latest score tab. This details the full game sheet for any particular game that has been logged. Further detailed information can be accessed through the menu bar, such as the divisions. This details any upcoming seasons or active seasons, and visitors to your site can either join a season now or view the player pool, or they can choose to see the season details. This page displays the teams playing in that division, their standings and stats, and individual stats for that division. It also shows latest scores, upcoming games, and any recent blogs relevant to that particular division. Detailed information for a particular player can be viewed by clicking on the player's name. This brings up their regular season stats, playoff stats, and exhibition stats, and provides links to their team stats, game log, career stats, or any blogs they may have posted or awards they may have received. It also displays their personal profile, which a player can edit when logged on. When not logged on, the edit player icon disappears. Now that we have shown you some of the features of the public and user interface, we'll show you how to administer this in the admin section. Our system recognizes different tiers of administrator access, from full administrator through to scorer or referee administrator. This ensures that one individual does not have to administer the entire site. The admin homepage contains some guidance notes to help you set up and establish your site. To begin with, you'll need to configure your site. This is done by setting up the venues and locations, adding additional administrators to assist you with managing the site, and then adding any custom graphics you may wish to use. The next step is to set up your leagues. To begin with, you need to create the divisions you require and the seasons for those divisions. At Xsyte, we recognize that teams may play in multiple divisions, seasons, or even in special events. For this purpose, we create franchises for the teams. The franchise details can then be pulled down very easily into the relevant season or special event. Once the leagues and teams have been set up, it is very easy to manage the game schedule. New games are easily added by simply selecting the season and clicking on the Add Game icon. The next step is to input the relevant information. The new game is now added to the schedule. Game results, stats, and details can easily be logged by clicking on the Log Game icon. The team roster can be easily managed by clicking on the Manage Team Roster icon. This brings up a list of the registered players available for selection, and if need be, new players can be added. A placeholder is created for those new players, and their stats can be transferred to the player when they become a registered player. The same can be done for the opposition. Goalie stats, goals, penalties, along with game details such as the scorer and referees, are easily logged in a similar manner. All the information logged during a game is used to calculate the stats and standings of individuals and teams throughout your Xsyte. The final step to setting up your Xsyte is to set up the community. This is where you can post news items, set up a discussion board or a poll, or establish your events calendar. You can also use the emailer, which allows you to contact your registered members. The final aspect of setting up your community is adding any custom pages or sections you may have that suit your organization. Creating websites that members not only use but participate in is key to how we've approached our business. If you want to find out more about our products or to contact us, please visit our website at xsyte.com.